In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Drive file preview on a website. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Drive. Click through to the official Drive homepage and sign in with your Google account if you're prompted. You'll want to use the account that owns the file you plan to embed, or one that has edit access, so you can reach the sharing options we need. Once you're in Drive, open the file you want to display. If it's a document, it will open in Google Docs. If it's a spreadsheet, it will open in Google Sheets. And if it's a presentation, it will open in Google Slides. Opening the file in its editor ensures you get the correct embedding options for that file type and that the preview behaves as expected on your site. With the file open, head to the File menu at the top. This is where Google places most of the export and sharing controls that affect how your content appears outside of Drive. It's also the most reliable way to access the settings that will generate an embed code. Next, click Share. In this area, you'll find the controls that govern who can view your file, and in many cases, you'll also see an option related to publishing or embedding. Depending on the file type, look for an option that provides an embed code. If you see something like Publish to the Web or an Embed tab, that's what you want. Before copying anything, make sure the file's visibility allows others to view it. Switching the link setting to Anyone with the link can view helps ensure your website visitors see the preview without running into a permission request. When the embed code is displayed, copy the iframe snippet provided. Now go to your website's HTML editor or the custom code area for the page where you want the preview to appear and paste the iframe exactly where you want it. You can adjust the width and height values in the iframe to fit your layout. For a cleaner look, match the width to your content area and keep enough height for the document to be readable without excessive scrolling. Save or publish your page and then preview it. If you don't see the file, double-check the sharing permission and try viewing your page in a private or incognito window to confirm it's publicly accessible. That's it. By opening your file, using File and Share to surface the embed option, and pasting the iframe into your site's HTML, you've added a live Google Drive preview to your website.